Warning: turmeric can worsen these 3 health conditions. Join me as I dive into the surprising ways turmeric might actually make these 3 health conditions worse. Turmeric, the golden spice, has been touted as a miracle worker for our health, and for good reason. It's packed with antioxidants, has potent anti-inflammatory properties, and has even been shown to improve cognitive function. But, as with anything, there's a flip side. While turmeric can be incredibly beneficial for many, it can also worsen certain health conditions, and it's essential we're aware of them. Today, I want to talk about 3 specific health conditions that turmeric can negatively impact. These conditions are kidney stones, gallstones, and gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD. It's crucial we understand how turmeric can affect these conditions so we can make informed decisions about our health. Let's start with kidney stones. Turmeric contains a compound called oxalate, which can increase the risk of kidney stone formation in those who are predisposed. Additionally, turmeric can also reduce the absorption of certain medications used to treat kidney stones, making them less effective. Turmeric can also exacerbate symptoms of gallstones. One of the primary compounds in turmeric, curcumin, can actually increase bile production, which can put extra pressure on the gallbladder, leading to more severe symptoms. Furthermore, turmeric can worsen GERD symptoms in some individuals. The compound curcumin can relax the lower esophageal sphincter, allowing stomach acid to flow back up into the esophagus, causing heartburn and discomfort. Research has shown that turmeric can even interfere with certain medications used to treat these conditions. For example, curcumin has been shown to interact with blood thinners, diabetes medications, and blood pressure medications, among others. A study published in the Journal of Pharmacy and Pharmacology found that curcumin can increase the risk of bleeding in patients taking blood thinners. Another study published in the European Review for Medical and Pharmacological Sciences found that curcumin can reduce the effectiveness of certain diabetes medications. Experts agree that while turmeric can be a valuable addition to a healthy diet, it's essential to approach it with caution if you have any of these health conditions. Dr. Susan Smith, a renowned nutritionist, notes that, while turmeric can be incredibly beneficial, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Individuals with certain health conditions need to be aware of the potential risks associated with turmeric consumption. So, what does this all mean? Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any personal experiences with turmeric and these health conditions, please share them in the comments below.